hopes. It looks cool. Looks like a hairdo, doesn't it?
Hey, it looks like yours. This is Brady, and this is our third experiment. And today we're doing magnet slime.
Are you going to introduce who I am?
And he's Mr. C.
I'm Mr. C, and we are doing magnetic slime. Give me 5. Ooh! So this is a really cool experiment. I'm really excited about it because magnetic slime, I've never actually made it. Have you ever made magnetic slime before?
No, I haven't even made slime.
You've never made slime? Okay, so we're gonna make slime a really cool and fun way, and we're going to do a non-borax recipe. So today's recipe uses baking soda, glue, and multi-purpose contact solution, stuff you use to clean your contacts. So what we're gonna do first, super simple recipe, we'll put it right down below. We're gonna take a cup of glue. All right, so let's
pour it into the...
We're gonna measure a cup, so grab that glue container. We'll work as a team.
And it's probably gonna be heavy.
It might be.
Okay, that's not heavy. Okay. Oh. Boop, boop.
Okay, so pour that out into your bowl. Bring your bowl over here so they can see it. There you go. Pour it out. Nice. So it's a cup of glue, 8 ounces of glue. Let it just hang there for a second. Let some of that ooze out. It's awesome, right? It's cool just to look at it.
Yeah, it's like you're coloring with glue, but it just fades away so you can read something. Alright, so kind of tip it back. Perfect. Nice, give me that thing, so I get a cup of it as well. Alright, so we have a cup of glue. Yeah, because we're making, I'm basically going to follow here, because I never did slime before or magnetic slime. So
Slime is one of my favorite things to do, and there's so many different ways you can do this, and we're not gonna color our slime today. We're gonna keep it white, and the reason we're gonna do that is because we're gonna add some iron filings. So have you ever seen a magnet before?
Yeah.
What do magnets do if you put them close to things like steel paper clips or pieces of iron? What does it do?
They stick.
They stick. So I'm gonna have you take the 2 ends off of that one. I'll hold the main one. Hold that, go ahead. Now show, you can show it in front of the camera. Hold it up.
Oh!
So what's going on is this. These are super strong magnets, and it's like really hard. Watch this. Like.
Yeah, when you like put it 1 inch away, it just.
Yeah. So show them that magnet. Hold it right here next to mine. Bring it over here. So he has different magnets, and I got these with the iron filings. And can I see one of those really quick? When I dip this in,
Oh man.
I can pick up a whole bunch of iron filings.
Oh.
All right, and we'll show you some cool takeaways from that also. You want to try it?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and just dip it in. Dip that one you have. Just dip it in, and then hold it up from the camera.
Oh my goodness, that's cool.
Just don't get in the baking soda.
I hope.
He hopes. It looks cool. Looks like a hairdo, doesn't it?
Hey, it looks like yours.
All right, we're gonna just drop those in there for now. Just drop them in there. We'll just leave those in there for now. Okay, so we've got our glue. Now what we need is we need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and we're gonna put that into our glue. So you're gonna get a nice scoop and fill it up, and make sure it's level. Is that about a good scoop? Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
All right, go ahead and dump it in.
Into where?
Dump it into the glue. Perfect.
Where?
Oh, that's a fork.
I'll dump yours for you too.
Here, I'll trade you. I'll give you that for this.
Okay.
Perfect. So I'm gonna take 1 scoop, 1 tablespoon.
And now we're
dump
gonna
in.
mix it.
Now we're gonna mix it up really well. All right, so once that's mixed up really well, I've never done this before with the iron filings.
Well, he did do magnetic slime.
I've never done magnetic slime.
I mean glow-in-the-dark slime and regular slime.
This is true, but I've never done magnetic. So these are iron filings. You can order them on Amazon. I'll put a link below in the description. But I'm gonna do 2 scoops. Okay, I want you to go ahead and take 2 scoops of that. Or do you want to try a different amount so we change the variable?
3.
You want to do 3? Okay.
Or.
No, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, 3 is good, perfect. Let's do 3, let's do 3. All right, now mix it up. Oh, and this is why we did not
Do color.
do color, because that's just weird looking. Actually,
It actually looks like kind of blue.
it's kind of a gray, right?
Bluish gray. It looks like Oreo crumbs with cream on them.
It does. I think that is probably a fantastic description. It looks like Oreo crumbs with cream on them. Now, so get it mixed up really good. Scrape it off the sides so that you really don't see any white glue. You want it mixed up really well.
I even did the sides. Okay.
Feel good about it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what we have to do is glue is a polymer, and that means the glue is made up of the same molecules, and that's why glue is runny, right? So when I have glue, it kind of just pours out. Well, it's not pouring out because there's not much in there, but it
Yeah.
kind of pours out that consistency. This solution, it's gonna sound weird to say this, it's like a glue for the glue. And it's gonna take all of those molecules and it's gonna make them connect. So I want you to look at this really quick for all the kids who are watching. The magnet is like the saline solution, right? Watch this. When I put the magnet in, this is like the glue. And when I connect it, the magnet allows all the molecules to connect.
Hey, I got some.
So right now, this is what it looks like.
Oh, I have to mix it again. No.
He's mixing up really good. So this is what it looks like, Brady. Check it out.
Hey,
This is our consistency right now. Is it slime yet?
No.
No, it's just glue with iron filings, right?
Yeah, because we have to add this.
We need to add this. This is the part that's gonna connect it all together and it's gonna make it slime. So what we're gonna do is you need a tablespoon of contact solution. And I'll be honest with you, Equate is the one I found to work best when I would do my slime. So shout out to Equate. All right, what we're gonna do is pour that in there. You're gonna fill it up all the way. It's hard to squeeze out, isn't it? Yeah, but when you're like Hulk Hogan over here.
Wait, a little more. And good.
All right, now I want you to dump it in. Now, do you remember how it felt? I want you to start stirring and I want you to describe how it feels. Does it feel like anything?
Feels kind of weird.
Feels kind of weird. Does it? Describe it to him. Tell him what it feels like. Keep stirring it, keep stirring it, keep stirring it.
Hey, it kind of feels like slime.
It's starting to feel like slime. So this solution is causing all of those glue molecules to be like and getting stuck together. So I'll hold this, you hold the bowl, and you start mixing.
I'm mixing real good.
Sounds like a song. He's mixing real good. Bum, 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 dun, 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 dun. Ooh, making slime, yeah.
Goomba Goomba style. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yay, it's slime! I get slime!
All right, so let's add,
Oh, no.
we're gonna add just a little bit more contact solution.
Yeah. Cause
So you're gonna notice when you make your slime, and this might be because we have the iron filings in it. There you go. Stir it up really good. I'm gonna add mine over here. Keep mixing it. It
my
takes a little while.
to do it. That's why I did mine earlier than he did. Cause is that enough for mixing? Okay, I'm just gonna mix the bowl with it.
Well, hold the bowl because you're not even stirring it.
I am spinning it.
All right, perfect. Oh, mine's really starting to go.
Watch.
Here in a second, we're gonna.
Oh my goodness! Look, it's not really sticky now.
Okay, touch it. See, mine's kind of sticky still, so I'm just gonna do a little squirt because I need a little bit more. Feels like.
Hey, it's slime. Hey, it's slime. It's falling off.
All right, now we're gonna get messy.
Oh yeah.
And honestly, guys and girls, parents, grandparents, sometimes you just gotta. I'm gonna move all this stuff.
Yeah, and you also have to wash your hands after this.
Maybe.
Actually, you do, because look at mine.
Alright, so I'm gonna just put just
What? How did you do that? How did you get out?
just grab it. I'll move this stuff.
With the spoon? Oh my goodness, the spoon. Where do we put the spoon?
Here, I'll take the spoon. Slimy.
Is this lighter slime?
Alright, so what we're gonna do is we are going to add just a little.
More.
Just a squirt.
Yeah. Let me put it with my hands too.
Yeah, here, let me do something. Ready? Come here. Push your arm out. Like, push your arm out this way. So I can pull this back. Push your arm. There we go. It's just everywhere. Oh, I do like that in front of the camera.
Oh my goodness,
Alright, it should start feeling better, right? So mine isn't sticking to my hands at all now. Very cool.
oh my goodness, mine is.
That's alright.
I think we need to wash our hands.
Hold on. You want me to help you out?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
You know what I think it is? How many scoops of iron filings did you do?
Like I did 3.
I thought you did 4. You went crazy.
You said I could.
Oh yeah, we're fine. It's fine. So as you're making your slime, here you go.
Yes.
Now, here's what I want you to do. Just kind of roll it in your hands back and forth. It's gonna be sticky.
But after you know it.
Try to keep it up here so it doesn't get on your clothes.
Whoa.
Alright, his is taking a little bit longer to gel.
Oh my
But do you
goodness.
feel it now? It's starting to do it. Hold on. Just 1 second. Here we
Get
go.
it out.
Alright, so here's the cool part.
This
This
is
one-
magnetic.
Well, how do you know if something's magnetic?
Well, let's get that magnet we just had.
Alright, let's see what this does. Whoa!
It's
So, I'm gonna give you 2 of these little guys. Now, this you have to be really careful with.
wait, I found the other magnet.
That's okay. Watch this one. Were you on this one, Heather?
Whoa, it actually sticks and I felt it.
So earlier we used the magnet and we lifted up the iron
Oh my-
filings.
oh my
But
goodness.
now,
It's actually,
look at this. Brady.
yeah, mine's coming too.
Look.
Yeah, mine's coming too, dude.
I just got duded.
No,
Those magnets are so strong. Whoa!
oh my goodness, watch this. Look, it's actually coming. Whoa, it came. It actually came.
Isn't that cool?
Yes. So that's how you know something's magnetic.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Try this experiment at home.
Should they try this at home?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that looks so cool.
Not is it only slime, it's also magnetic.
I'm gonna throw that in there. Oh, did you get that?
Oh, wait, I found out.
Oh, that one scared me.
Instead of the front.
I guess I had to get, wait,
I want you to try this too. Get your magnet out.
if I can.
You can.
It's just.
If you don't put it right back in, that's the question. Yeah.
Well, this batch of, some of it is not on. Can be on?
This is so cool. Oh,
Yeah.
look at that. Is it still there?
Yeah,
Look at that. It's so strong.
that it's stealing all the rest.
Yeah, it's stealing the iron filings back out of the glue.
You need to go to jail.
Let's try. I want you to throw this one in there. It's gonna have some extra filings, but that's alright. Try that.
Okay.
Give it a second.
It's eating.
So it's not as strong.
No.
That magnet's not as strong. That's okay.
Whoa, it's right.
Should they try this at home, Brady?
Yes.
Yeah. This is so cool. It's not just slime, but it's magnetic slime. So you can test the properties of a magnet. And as you can see, I can lift it right here.
I think Okay, I'm gonna get my magnet out.
Alright everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you had fun. Until next time,
keep learning, full steam ahead.
everybody, thanks so much for watching the video and making slime with us. If you like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Learning science is fun. And remember, until next time,
keep learning, full steam ahead.
all right,
Bye.
bye.
Oh my goodness, that's slimy.